This free tutorial will show you how to fade out footage in Capcut Mobile, online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. First step, to fade out footage in Capcut Mobile. I'm doing this on iPhone, but this works for Android as well. Your video clip that you would like to fade out. This I have an Adam Sandler clip, and basically I'm going to go to the beginning clip and then click this diamond icon. Let's add a keyframe. I'm going to go to the very end, the keyframe again, and then on the bottom hand screen on Capcut Mobile, you scroll to the right, get to this option over here, very end. It's called opacity, next to stabilize and reverse. Underneath opacity, you want to click this icon right here and drag it to the right, and notice how it gets dark or it fades out, and then click the check mark. So this is what we have. Notice how the video is slowly fading out. Capcut Mobile completely for free. Adjust the settings according to how you like.